Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a quick demonstration of my Recipe Finder website. So it really isn't too complicated. It's using the Spoonacular API, and that was the whole purpose of this assignment, was just to learn how to use web APIs. So you just enter whatever you want. So I could just type in like banana or bananas. And we hit search, and there you go, bananas Foster. It gives you a little recipe and some other suggestions. Let's click on another one. Bananas Foster 2. Oh, it takes you to another website. It takes you to their website. So let's redo this. You can just scroll left or right, back and forth. There's also more options here. So these are all hard-coded. So you just pick, let's say I want, I don't know, some Mexican food. Some Mexican vegan food. I've actually had that before. And then if you have any intolerances, you can select that, and that will just exclude some of those recipes. So let's see if they actually have, I don't know, burrito. No recipe found. Please enter a search term. There's no Mexican vegan food listed. Well, let's just try burritos. Carne asada burritos. I'm going to enter steak to make it more, because obviously burritos, it's going to be Mexican food. So I don't know if that really is working there. It's showing just any steak. So maybe it's not excluding anything. I'm not sure. Let's try vegan. It says this is a good option if you're following a vegan diet. Portobello steak wrap. So yeah, this looks like it's actually vegan. End of results. There's only one. Okay. So you're pretty limited if you try to use any of these options. Let's try French. French breakfast. Alright, crepes. Lots of crepes, quiche. Yeah. It's good enough. I pay like $5 a month for this. Thanks for watching.